Now going to question 5, we always start with the prompt first, and here the prompt is asking us for the choice that describes the function of the underlined sentence. Now when you're asked about the underlined portion, it's really a main idea question. The underlined portion is really only important in the manner in which it interacts with the main idea. So let's try to get the overall main idea here. This desert is one of the driest places on Earth. These scientists search for life or its remains in this harsh place because the desert closely mirrors the extreme environment on Mars. The algae and bacteria found in the driest regions may offer clues about Martian life. By studying how these and other microorganisms survive such extreme conditions, they hope to determine whether similar life might have existed on Mars and develop the best tools to look for evidence of it. So here we're hearing about this desert that has these extremely dry conditions and how scientists are studying that because that closely matches what's going on in Mars. So whatever life lives there could shed light on whatever life is going on the planet Mars. Now the underlined portion here is the part that's telling us why they're interested in this location, because this desert closely mirrors the extreme environment on Mars. So let's look at the answers and see if one of them says that. A, the underlined portion contrasts the conditions in the desert with those on Mars. Quite the opposite. It's kind of telling us that they're similar. B, the underlined portion is explaining why many life forms can't survive in the desert. Although many life forms probably can't survive in the desert, the underlined portion is telling us that it mirrors Mars, not about how life forms can't survive there. C, the underlined part is indicating why the astrobiologists chose to conduct their research in that desert. Yeah, it does. It says exactly that, and the reason is because it closely mirrors the conditions on Mars. And D, the underlined part is describing certain limitations to conducting a study in the desert. I'm sure there were limitations, but the underlined portion here was not talking about those. So the answer here is C.